Hi, my name's Harry. I'm head of product here at Messente, and I'm going to give you a quick demo of our new Twilio API wrapper. Purpose of this is to make it incredibly easy to switch an existing Twilio integration over to Messente and start sending out SMS messages through Messente in just a couple of minutes. In order to demonstrate this, I'm going to use Postman here to represent my Twilio integration. So I've got a query here using the Twilio API with my Twilio API keys. If I hit send on that, I will get back a response from Twilio in structure. If I look at my messages, I will then receive that message just there. So if I now want to switch that over to Messente, all I have to do is switch Twilio to Messente. In place of the Twilio account ID, I'm going to place in my Messente username, and then I'm also going to put in the password for my Messente API keys. We also need to make sure we're using a sender that's registered on the Messente side. So I've got an alphanumeric one registered, so I'm going to put that, and I'm going to change the message so we can see that it's come through us as well. Other than that, everything else is staying the same. Then we'll hit send, and immediately you'll notice we're going to get back exactly the same response. So we make sure the structure of the response stays the same so that if your integration relies on that, it will continue to work fine without needing to change anything else. And now we can see we've received that message through Messente. Thank you very much.